In this video, I'll be talking about Bay Area credit. Hi, I'm Consumer Protection Attorney Bill Clanton, and I've helped hundreds of people deal with inaccurate credit reporting and debt collection harassment and other consumer-related matters. At the end of this video, you'll understand who Bay Area credit is and the laws that apply to them and how you can put those laws into effect for your benefit. Bay Area Credit is a third-party debt collector based out of San Jose, California. As a third-party debt collector, they collect debts owed to other people. When I say people, it's really businesses. Most of the debts they collect are charged-off credit cards and other types of consumer-related debts. A consumer debt is a debt that is a personal debt, a non-business debt, often household items, insurance, and other consumer-related transactions. Bay Area Credit has a bond on file with the Texas Secretary of State. Any debt collector with operations in the state of Texas must have a bond on file with the Texas Secretary of State, and they do. So what laws apply to Bay Area Credit? Well, primarily the FDCPA. In fact, according to the federal courts, they've been sued 287 times for violations of federal laws. And most of those lawsuits are for violations of the FDCPA. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act says that a debt collector like Bay Area Credit cannot call you repeatedly or continuously. They cannot call you early in the morning or late at night. They cannot threaten you. They cannot harass you. They have to report debt as disputed if you dispute it. They cannot misrepresent the amount of the debt, the character of the debt, or the legal status of the debt. Bay Area Credit cannot add any additional fees that are not in the original contract. Bay Area Credit may also be violating a couple of other laws in collecting debts. The first of those is the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, or TCPA. The TCPA says that a company with an auto dialer cannot call your cell phone unless you give them permission. And if they have your permission, you can revoke it. Revoking permission under the TCPA is very easy. Simply get on the line with an actual person instead of a recording. And when you get to a live person, say, "This is my cell phone, please stop calling me." That's all you have to do to revoke your permission. The penalties under the TCPA are huge, up to $1,500 per call. If you've received a number of calls under to your cell phone placed by an auto dialer, you could have a claim under the TCPA. And with a large number of calls, those damages can add up very quickly. The Fair Credit Reporting Act is similar to the FDCPA, but it applies to credit reporting. It says that if a debt collector or other entity that furnishes data to the credit reporting agencies is put on notice that their credit reporting is inaccurate, they have to correct it. And if they don't, they could be liable under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Both the FDCPA and the FCRA say that if the case is resolved successfully, that the defendant has to pay your attorney's fees. These are powerful federal statutes that put the power in your hands against companies like Bay Area Credit. If Bay Area Credit is harassing you, your phone calls won't stop, you don't have to take it. Give me a call before they call you. We have the systems, the experience, and the know-how to make them stop. But I can't do it until I hear from you. If you've been called by Bay Area Credit, give us a call. We'll fight for you. 210-226-0800. Thanks for watching.